In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a volume on a Verizon Fios remote. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to first start with a check the remote battery. So make sure the batteries aren't weak or dead. Replace with fresh AA or AAA batteries depending on your remote model. Check if TV is muted. So press the mute button to see if the volume was accidentally silenced. Now, fix number 3, you might need to program the remote to your TV. So if the remote isn't controlling the TV volume, it may not be synced properly. So here are some steps to reprogram. So press and hold the OK and Fios TV buttons together until the red light blinks twice. Then you need to enter the TV code. You can find codes by brand at Verizon Remote Codes. Then press volume plus to check if it works. If not, repeat with a different code. Fix number 4 is check audio settings. So sometimes the volume problem is due to TV or Fios box settings. So on your TV, go to settings, audio speakers, and ensure TV speakers are enabled, not set to external speakers. And then on your Fios box, press menu on the remote, go to settings, audio and video audio, ensure it's set to stereo or HDMI audio out, depending on your setup. Fix number 5, try the volume lock feature. So if your remote controls a soundbar or AV receiver but isn't adjusting volume, press OK +2 until the red LED blinks twice. Then press 955. Press the button for the service or device you want to control volume for, TV, AUX or STB. Then press OK to lock in the volume control. Fix number 6, we might need to reset the remote. So press and hold OK +2 until the red light blinks twice. Then press 981. This resets the remote to factory settings. And the last fix here is use Verizon support. So if none of the above works, visit this site here or give them a call at 1-800-VERIZON for more help.